Hey guys, Mike here. Our friends at T-Tote sent us these bathroom mirrors for our honest evaluation. So we're going to install them and then we'll review them. So let's look at these. So first of all, let's turn this around so we can talk about how we're going to mount them. They plug in because they have a backlight and an anti-fog feature on them. So we're going to have to account for that. Mounting them, they provide you all the hardware you need. These wall anchors are for 1/2-inch sheetrock and comes with the screws for that. These wall anchors are for thinner wall board. We're not going to use them. We have 1/2-inch sheetrock. We're going to use that. The brackets mount very simply. Essentially, you just screw them to the wall, and then the mirror mounts on those. So we have 2 of those brackets. It comes with this instruction tape, and depending on the mirror that you have, you use this. So step 1 would be to locate this one. This is your first bracket. And since our mirror is this wide, this will be the location of our second bracket. And you can peel this off and stick it to the wall. But we're going to mount ours. And since we're mounting 2, we're going to use a laser level and mark them out. Come with me. Let's get these mounted. Okay, so we're getting ready to mount our second set of brackets. You can see over here, we've mounted the first set. We've put our laser level on the top of it so we can align this and make sure that they're level across. We're treating this as the center line between these 2 ugly sconces, and the mirror measured like 25 inches wide, so 12.5 inches. So we're going to put one bracket here. And again, all we're going to do is hold it against the wall and mark our circles, which we've done here and here. Now we're going to drill those out and put the wall anchors in. And we'll switch over to a Phillips head screw. Nope, not with that one. And we'll use these wall anchors. We need 4 of them. And get them started in the wall. And tap them till they're flush. That one didn't want to go. We might have to widen that out a little bit. There we go. Just light taps is enough to get it done. Now we'll mount our brackets. And you can see these match the laser. All right, so those are mounted. Let's hold on right here. We'll get the mirrors and mount them up. Okay, so now that we have the brackets up, all 4 of them, we're just going to hang this mirror on. It's really simple. It catches the bracket and you're there. Now we'll plug this in here, and you can tuck your cord in the space behind it so you don't have a bunch of cord hanging on your counter. Let's get the other one mounted, then we'll peel this protective film off and fire them up. Okay, so we have both mirrors mounted, and now it's a matter of taking the protection off of it now that you have them mounted. They have these corners taped on there to protect your mirror, and then this film, which we're going to peel all this off. Same thing at the top. Just pop these corners off. Look at this great upgrade to our bathroom. Anti-fog, turn that on. It'll stay on for about an hour and then cut off on its own. But the piece I love about this is the backlight. So you click it on once, it gives you the, let's call it a more white light. You can go to a more yellow light, and you can dim it. If you push and hold on this, it dims and brightens. So these are great mirrors. They'll make your bathroom look beautiful. This is a bevel edge on this. T-Totes has a bunch of different varieties. I could get one big mirror to cover this whole thing. But since we have the sconces, we went with the 2 mirrors. We love these things. Hope you get you a set. Have a great rest of your day.